Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 3 of Know Your Biotechnology Lab. So have you ever wondered कि कभी भी आप जब PCR करने जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप रिएजेंट्स को थॉ करने के बाद में एक मिनी स्पिन कर देते हैं. सो यस, आज का टॉपिक है मिनी स्पिन. सो इट इज़ अ मिनी सेंट्रीफ्यूज दैट इज़ ऑफन नोन एज अ मिनी स्पिन विच इज़ a very useful item for your molecular biology lab specifically. So why do researchers quickly spin their tubes before starting an experiment? So this is known as this micro centrifuge tube spin or mini spin, because whenever you are doing the pipetting for doing the PCR, the amount which we pipette is very small, like 1 ml, even lower than that, 2 microliters. So it will stick on the wall of the PCR tube. So how it will settle down? So for that you need some centrifugal force, and you provide the centrifugal force through the mini centrifuge, that is mini spin. You can see how you are placing your PCR tube so as to settle down whatever there is stuck on the tube walls or lids down to the bottom. So this is the case with whenever you are doing the usage of any of the reagent tube. सो हम उसको क्विकली स्पिन दे देते हैं ताकि कुछ भी चीज़ कैप में ना लगा हो एंड ट्यूब्स के वॉल पे ना हो, ताकि हमारा लॉस ना हो. So this type of mini spins are available in the market, which is very handy and useful. So commonly they serve in PCR setups, DNA RNA extraction और reagent mixing. इस टाइप का आपने देखा होगा. क्विकली आप स्पिन करते हैं so as to settle down whatever you have stuck onto the wall of the tube. So don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos.